Hello and welcome. It feels like Christmas is almost here. I was surfing the net the other day and came across 3 new hacks that I was very curious to test to see if they worked. There is one hack that I liked more than the other. Do you want to know which one? Just keep watching. Let's roll the video. If we look at the hack, the creator uses a mascara brush and applies 3 different colors to the brush and then rolls the brush over the nail to create a pattern. I have chosen to have the same colors as the creator of the video. I really thought this hack would be easy, but after a few spins with the mascara brush, above the nail, I concluded that this hack is a scam. However, you got a cool pattern after spinning the mascara brush after a while. We give this hack a thumbs down. I really liked this hack. Very easy to do, and what a result. Let me show you. According to the video, you should paint 2 colors on the nail, and the base of the color should be black. Then you should take a brush and draw the color up the nail, but not all the way. If you don't want the colors to mix so much, dry the brush after each stroke. This hack was so easy to do and the result was perfect. This hack gets a thumbs up from me. Now we have come to the last hack of the day. The hack itself is very time-consuming, but in the video, it looks easy. Start by taking a fishing line and applying a thin layer of the nail gel polish. When you see that small drop start to form, then it is time to cure the fishing line for 60 seconds. I chose to have 2 different shades of small drops to be able to have a nicer contrast on the nail. I have applied a thin layer of nail glue to make it easier to apply the decoration that I have. Just created, feel free to cut off the excess of the nail decoration before curing the nail. I chose to use a different color when placing the nail decoration, so it will be a nicer nail design. After you have cured the nail, finish the nail design by applying top coat and cure. I also give this hack a thumbs up, and thanks for watching, and have a nice day.